Finally, we are home. I'm so hungry. Can we relax now?
Yes! TV time! No homework talk yet.
Okay, this show is the best.
Turn it up. I want to hear it.
Mom won't mind.
She never says anything.
Hey guys, you are home. How was school?
It was okay.
Can you pause the TV for 1 second?
Just 1 minute, Mom.
Okay, 1 minute.
Mom, I'm really hungry.
I know, buddy. Just give me 5 minutes.
You always say that.
Yes, I do. Dinner in 30 minutes. Wash your hands before eating. Did you hear that?
No, we watching TV. Mom said something about dinner.
Yes, I'm cooking.
Smells amazing as always.
I got an A on my quiz.
Smells amazing as always. Mom, you know I got an A on my quiz.
That's wonderful, Leo. I'm so proud.
I traded lunch with Jack.
Good job. Anyone want seconds?
Yes, Mom. Me too.
Dinner was great, kids.
I'll wash up. Okay, Mom. Mom.
Plates, cups, forks again. The sink never sleeps. Neither do I. Sigh, long day.
Can I stay up 10 more minutes?
Ask your mom.
Not now. Take a shower quickly.
Okay, Mom. I'm going right now.
Kids, wake up. It's your school time.
5 more minutes.
The bus will not wait for you. Freshen up quickly. Leo, grab your towel.
Where's my blue one?
I don't knows. Mom, can you find my hair tie?
Top drawer, left side.
Mom, where is my new sock?
Here you go, sweetie. Wash, dry, fold. Every day, same. But I love them, and I'm very tired.
Are you okay?
No, I'm just a little tired.
We'll rest this weekend.
Of course, we will. All right. Let's get started. I do it before they wake up. Eggs, toast, fruit. Okay. Honey, time to get up. School day. Come on, you got this.
Mom, 5 more minutes.
No, honey, we can't.
It's too early, Mom.
I know. Get up, please. Get up and shine, buddy. The bus won't wait.
No, my bed is warm. Mom, can you carry me?
Okay. Nice try. Eats all. Eat some fruit too.
Do I have to?
More syrup? A little, not a flood. Love you. Have a good day.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Mom.
Love you. Have a good day.
Bye, Mom. Text me if you need anything.
Okay, second round. Clean, shop, cook, repeat. They're growing up so fast. I wish they would notice me. Just once. Milk, bread, apples. Oh, Leo. He likes strawberry jam. And Lisa likes those crackers. Okay, I'm doing my best. I just need help.
I'm exhausted. School was crazy. I want food.
Me too. Let's get a snack. Yeah. Shoes, please. Never mind.
Okay, Mom. Please serve dinner.
Okay, sweetie.
My boss was on me all day.
That's the worst. Can I have dessert?
We'll see. No one asks. No one sees my pain. I feel invisible. No one asks. No one sees my pain. I feel invisible. Tomorrow, maybe I'll say something. Tomorrow, maybe I'll say something. Or maybe I'll stop.